All right, 7th grade math. This is lesson 28, coordinate plane. All right, for lesson 28, the coordinate plane, we have a little bit of vocabulary. We have quadrant, which is one of the 4 sections of a coordinate plane that are separated by the axis. We have the x-axis, which is the horizontal number line. We have the y-axis, which is the vertical. We have the ordered pair, which is a pair of numbers used to locate a point. And we have the origin, the point where 2 lines meet, 0, 0. All right, the grid below is called a coordinate plane. It is divided into 4 sections or quadrants. Point G is in quadrant 1 and point J is in quadrant 3. Points on either axis are not in any coordinate. Notice here is quadrant 1, here's quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Here is point G, which is in quadrant 1. Here is point J, which is in quadrant 3. And then if it's on the line, like for example, B, it's on the line that is in no quadrants. It says any point on the grid can be named by using a pair of numbers called an ordered pair. To find a point, always start at the origin, which is 0, 0. So this is the origin right here at 0, 0. The first number tells how far to move to the right or to the left on the x-axis. The second number tells how far to move up or down in the same direction as the y-axis. You could use an ordered pair to locate a point on the grid. To locate the ordered pair 1, 4, it says move 1 unit to the right and 4 units up. So if I moved 1 unit to the right, and I'm going to do my highlighter in black. Hopefully it'll come out gray. If I go to the right 1, because it's positive, and I go up 4, I end up right here at coordinates 1, 4. It says to find the ordered pair for point B, it says move 4 units left, negative 4, and 0 units up or down, so negative 4, negative 4 is 0. So I move to right there to point B. Now, when you get down here on the guided practice, I'm going to look at the same grid. I'm trying to get it to where we can see it. So it says to locate point 3, negative 0. It says is 3 negative, let's try this again. Locate point 3, negative 2. Is point 3, negative 2 to the right or left of the origin? Well, since the first number is a 3 and it's positive, it is to the right. It says, is it above or below the y-axis? Since my second number in my coordinate is negative, it is below. And it says, which quadrant is 3, negative 2 in? Well, it's in quadrant 4. And we write it as a Roman numeral. Now, you're going to have to refer back to this grid as we go on to the next page. But make sure you have all the information written down, all of the notes taken. To do problem number 2, you're going to be looking back at that graph on the that coordinate plane on the first page. And it says, what is the ordered pair for point J? It says, how many units to the left of the origin did you move? Well, we moved 4 units. How many units down did you move? So we moved 3. Since we went left and down, those are negative numbers. So I'm going to put negative 4, negative 3. Now, you always move on the x-axis first. That's the first number, x-axis. The second number is always the y-axis. All right? So when you come down and start doing the exercises, it says, in which quadrant does each point lie? Now remember, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So you're going to do where point U, point S, point V is. Now, on 6, 7, and 8, it says locate the following pairs of points and connect them with a line segment. So you're going to plot these 2 points and then you're going to connect the dots on the coordinate plane. On 9, 10, and 11, you are going to write the ordered pair for the points. Remember, x-axis comes first, y-axis comes second, and whether it's right or left, up and down, depends on if it's positive or negative. When you come down to the application, you are going to do pretty much the same things you were doing up above, but it gives you some specific information. So you're going to finish problems 12, 13, and 14 on your own. Now, finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.